Right, welcome to another Topic Tuesday. Today's topic, if you can bloody hear me, is what's this joint like, as in Cambodia like, post-COVID-19. I call it post-COVID, post-spicy cough, because people are returning here. Borders open. What's the mood? My gosh, look at this thing. Put another sticker on your windscreen. Oh, this is nuts. I'm in Kandal. Behind me is my sister-in-law and brother-in-law's place. And my niece is getting married at some point tomorrow. So we'll have those videos for you in the normal vlog section. So, getting here. Recently, they've done a couple of things. When I say they, Cambodia have done a couple of things to make it better for you to get here. Freaking hell, he was moving, wasn't he? There's a temporary citizen. Fuck. You can get 1, visa on arrival. 2, you don't need a quarantine. 3, the border with Boybet has just opened up this week. 4, mask rules outside have been relaxed. So, and I really appreciate that, because we've had it relaxed in Australia for, well, months now, outside and even indoors. And the thought of coming here and having to wear a mask in the bloody humidity that is here is shite. So I'm really pleased with that. How far can I walk? Oh, it's just shit everywhere. Look at all the asbestos. Oh, let's just go back here. So that's really, really good. Around town, you still see people putting masks on. And in some shops, you'll also see people wearing masks. And I've always got one with me. We went to a servo earlier and they kind of looked at me and I've gone, yeah, I've got one. They're like, oh, thank you, bonk. So just be mindful if you're coming here, bring one with you. Things have relaxed quite a bit, but yeah, just have one with you. Restrictions on gatherings and things like that, I don't know if they had them here, but I mean, shit, we're having a wedding tomorrow, so I doubt that there's any restrictions. Hang on. In terms of people returning, so we got here via Singapore. If you would have seen in another video, this flight from Singapore to Phnom Penh was an Airbus. It was like a A3 whatever it is, where it's 333. Pretty big plane, and it was pretty full too, so that's a good sign. People are coming back here. There were a couple of Australian tourists on the plane, but a lot of Khmer returning home or going for business or whatnot. I've got to get bowled over. I really hope you can hear this. Around Phnom Penh, there have been a few tourists, not a heap. Overall, the place was reasonably quiet compared to pre-COVID, I should say. But there's people out. Like if you go out at night time, there's people out. Places are starting to get a little bit busier. People are coming back to work as well. Like you talk to a few people that have worked in bars, or even like the massage lady I spoke to gave me a good head massage. She said, you know, her, a lot of her co-workers pissed off to the village, like at Boybet, when COVID hit, and then they've been coming back, so that's positive. There's obviously enough optimism around tourists returning that workers are returning to the cities to service the tourists, whether it be at a bar, restaurant, or anything else. So that's good. I'd say for the people wanting to come back here, do it. I mean, if you've got your leave planned and your flights booked, that's good, but if you're thinking about it, get over here. I mean, they really need your help. The economy's bouncing back slowly, and it'll only bounce back once more people come here. My gosh. Anyway, so that's what I think. So if you're here, or if you've been here, tell me what you think. Do you think the place is on the up? Because my sense around the joint is that it is. If you disagree, leave me a comment, because I'd like to get your perspective. But yeah, from our few days here so far, things are quite optimistic, which is really good. So get back to the kingdom. You'll love it. You can check out lovely sites like that. And trucks doing that sort of thing. Oh, just, that is glorious. I love this shit. I cannot get enough of it. No one's just cruising around here. Everyone's got a purpose. Bloody marvellous. Oh, look, there's a garage. Oh, they've got, I wonder what oil they stock. Got to get me Falcon service there. Read the plugs, tune my jets, check my timing, just hit everything with a screwdriver. Anyway, there's a Topic Tuesday, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in another one. Ciao.